If you're seeing an Evernote error when signing in, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account. We'll cover the most common causes, including internet problems, VPN and proxy issues, browser cache conflicts, and using the wrong sign-in method. This is a simple troubleshooting guide you can follow on both desktop and web, and it's designed to save you time and frustration. If this video helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Now let's get started. First, check your internet connection. This might sound basic, but a weak or unstable connection can easily cause Evernote sign-in errors. Make sure your device is connected to the internet, then try opening a few other websites to confirm your connection is working properly. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to another network if one is available, or reconnect to your current network. If you're using mobile data or a hotspot, try a different connection and then go back to Evernote and sign in again. Sometimes simply refreshing your connection is enough to fix the issue. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy you may be using. Evernote can sometimes block or struggle with sign-ins when traffic is routed through a VPN or proxy service. If you have one active, disconnect it completely, then refresh the Evernote sign-in page or close and reopen the app. After that, try signing in again. In many cases, the error happens because the app is seeing an unusual connection route and wants you to use a normal, direct internet connection. If you're using Evernote in a browser and you're still stuck, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, stored cookies and cached files can interfere with sign-in pages and cause login errors. To do this, open your browser settings, go to Privacy and Security, and then choose Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cookies as well as cached images and files. Once that's done, restart the browser completely and return to Evernote. Then try signing in again. This often fixes sign-in problems caused by outdated or corrupted browser data. Now, another very important step is to make sure you're using the correct sign-in method. On the Evernote sign-in page, you need to choose the same method you originally used when creating the account. For example, if your account was created with Google, choose Continue with Google. If you signed up with Apple, choose Continue with Apple. And if you created the account with an email and password, choose Continue with Email. Using the wrong method can make it seem like your account doesn't exist, even though it's really just a mismatch in login options. If you forgot your password, don't keep guessing it over and over. Instead, click Forgot Password, enter your email address, and follow the reset link Evernote sends to your inbox. After resetting your password, go back and sign in using the new one. This is usually the best solution if your issue is related to an old password, a typo, or a password you can't remember. At this point, most Evernote sign-in errors should be fixed. If you were able to get back in, take a moment to double-check that everything is working normally and that you can access your notes across your devices. And if one step didn't work, go back and try the next one carefully, because sometimes the issue is caused by more than one thing at once. If this tutorial helped you fix the Evernote error signing in, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.